Hello and welcome to another video tutorial in the how-to series. My name is Amanda Short and I'm a VA and tech coach and owner of Virtual Assistant for Business, or VA for Biz for short. I'm based in Pembrokeshire and I'm working exclusively online during the coronavirus of 2020. If you are a sole trader, entrepreneur or SME and you need support with your back office operational services or online marketing efforts, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can find my contact details at the end of this video. If you're watching this in my private Facebook group, make sure you pop a yes in the comments section below to let me know if this video has been useful for you. If you're not already a member, please request access to my social media training and support group on Facebook. Please follow me on Instagram at VA4Biz. Please follow me on Twitter at VA4Biz. Please connect with me on LinkedIn and add me to your network. If you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to make sure you get a notification every time I post a new video. Okay, let's get on with the video. So today we are going to be exploring how to set automated FAQs, and that's frequently asked questions, for your potential customers on Messenger and Instagram. Please remember that at any point you can stop, rewind and watch parts of this tutorial again if you get a bit lost or if I go too fast for you, and just reach out if you have any questions. When you're ready, navigate to your Facebook page, go to your inbox, select automated responses, find frequently asked questions and click the edit button. As you can see, I've got all my questions set up for my potential customers. So I've told them how to find a list of my services, what my charges are, what my normal opening hours are, what experience I have, explained exactly what a VA is, where to find references and also qualifications. And as you can see, there's an add a question option there, which you will see when you first open this up. At this point, you want to add as many questions as you think are relevant for your business, ensuring that you click that save button after each question has been set. When you're done, make sure you save that final question and that your frequently asked question toggle button is switched to on. So the questions that you've set will now be available to anyone who reaches out to you through Messenger and Instagram. The statistics show that people do prefer to be able to find out that information before they actually speak to a human being. So whether or not that's true, it's definitely helpful for you and your business to have that available to your potential customers. And I would highly recommend, therefore, that you do set this up for your business page. I will link to my other video tutorials, so please go and check them out. And in the meantime, I hope you're all keeping well and safe, and I will hope to speak to you soon. Take care and all the best.